Today I'm making a Taco Tuesday recipe using Jiffy cornbread mix. I use 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and 3/4 cup of heavy cream. This is gonna make the moist cornbread that you are absolutely going to love. This is a little smaller than a 9 by 13. Spread this all around. You're gonna put this into a 375-degree oven for about 20 minutes. This is 1 pound of ground beef. For that, we're adding 1 packet of mild taco seasoning. I do so many Taco Tuesdays on this show. I like trying all the different brands. This is a brand called Siete. 1/3 cup of water. Some corn. This is white and yellow, and you could use Mexicorn if you want. And this is a can of mild Rotel. Put these together until it's all combined. We're gonna take this and we're gonna put this on top of, oh my God, by the way, look at this cornbread. Doesn't that look great? It's like the even baking. Can't wait to dig into that later. We're gonna put all of this on top. Spread it around. Let me get this cutting board on here and a bowl. 16 ounces, so 2 cups of sour cream. Go right in there. We're just gonna use half a bag, so just 1 cup of this Mexican blend. These chopped up green onions. You mix this all together, and then we're gonna put this all over the top. And our last layer is the rest of that bag of Mexican blended cheese. This is going to go into a 350-degree oven, back in for another 15 to 20 minutes. Doesn't this look amazing? All that cheesy goodness on top of the ground beef and the cornbread. Gonna be topping everything with our favorite taco topping. So we're starting with some shredded lettuce, 1 chopped up tomato. And then I found these like already sliced black olives. We're gonna dig in. Let's go ahead and, let's see if we can get it out of here. Like that. Cut in. Get that cornbread on the bottom. Oh yeah, so good. It's like a tamale. You should totally make this. It is so good.